What is margin? Margin in forex trading is very important to know. What is margin? This is how to trade from beginner to pro with Trader Nixon, and we are talking in this episode. This episode 10, I believe. Episode 10, and the topic is margin. We are not going to keep long with margin because episode 9, I was explaining to you what leverage is. Leverage is an amount that the broker is borrowing you in order to facilitate you to open trades with higher lot sizes, right? Somebody says, can I, will I be able to withdraw that money that they borrowed me? No. But what is margin? That is the main catch. What is margin? Margin is the amount you have deposited. Assuming I deposit $100 in my Forex account or my brokerage account. When I deposit that $100, and let's say during the process of creating an account, the broker asks me, what leverage do I need? I'll say, okay, I need a leverage of 1:500. If I choose that leverage, it means whatever amount I deposit in that account, I will have times 500 of it, in regards to the lot size I can use to open, buy, or sell on any trade, right? So if you multiply the $100, for example, that we've deposited times the $500, times the 500 leverage, for example, that assuming we have chosen during the process of creating the account, if you multiply these two, whatever amount you get is what we call margin. So if you go to your MT4 or your MT5 and you are opening trades, you can, around the accounting side of the platform, you will see deposit balance, equity, margin, those things, right? So the margin is basically telling you the amount that you have that you can open trades with. Okay? It's basically telling you the amount you have that you can open trades with. So margin is your balance or your deposit, your account capital that you have deposited times the leverage you chose is equal to what? Margin. So when I deposit $100 times 500 leverage is gonna be 50,000, right? Something like that. $50,000. So that's a margin. So with 50,000, it means we can open trade of 0.5 lot size. 0.5 lot size. Go back to the previous episode, watched all of them, share it with friends. You might not need it, but your friends needs it. You might not need it, a co-worker needs it. You might not need it, a colleague needs it, right? So that is how margin works in forex trading. So margin is your, how do you call it? Your deposit, your balance times what the leverage is, what is margin. I'm out.